guys, today we're going to take this space and turn it into a coffee bar. So when we moved into our home, we had so many things up here. It really was a place for us to just collect receipts because we were making, purchases for our new home. And mail was up here, so I've cleaned that off. And now I'm going to wipe down the countertop. Hopefully, we want to be able to use this space for our guests. If they spend the night, early in the morning, they can come down and make coffee. One thing that I love about my channel is that I want to be able to use realistic items. You're not going to see me put a whole bunch of syrups out because they only last for 4 months. And I am not inviting anybody over that much to finish a whole bottle of syrup, right? I think that it looks cute, and if that is your life and you have a lot of guests, then by all means do that. But I'm going to be putting things out that we would really use in our day-to-day life. So I hope you get some pleasure out of this, or even some ideas. Please, in the comment box, please let me know what you add to your coffee bar that you use over and over and over again, or that your guests love, because I may incorporate it in mine. So we're going to go ahead and kind of glamorize this space just a little bit, just a tad. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we've been in our home for over 1.5 years now, and I have to say the coffee bar is wonderful for socializing. All of our guests love it, but if I'm honest, my husband and I probably love it even more than they do. We have really become an old married couple. First thing we do on Saturday mornings is visit the coffee bar and drink our first cup together. If you look at the display, I drink Newman's Organic and he likes hazelnut, so that's why we have multiple options. And these days he's drinking more coffee than me, so I really have to adjust that arrangement. I found the acrylic stand at Amazon just because I love the height on it, and again the simplicity. What you see me doing now is putting in our coffee cups. I prefer the to-go cups. They're just easy. These are extremely durable. I've ordered them probably about 4 different times, and you can put them into the microwave to reheat coffee. They really work well. We don't even use mugs in our home, even though we have them. But you could also, for a pro tip, maybe go ahead and purchase you some coffee sleeves and then have those monogrammed or have your last name on them. I think that would be cute as well. Believe it or not, I was able to get these mugs from Macy's for $5.30 using my Star Rewards. So I always look out for discounts. They had them on sale, and using the coupon, had them shipped for under $6. The mug stand is from Inspire Me Home Decor. I believe that's the proper name for the company, but she's all over the internet and has a great internet presence as well as company for home decor items. All right, so what you all saw me do a little while ago is apply some alcohol to the tile, and that's just so that the command strips that I am using will adhere properly. I did take off the plate on the back of the coffee sign because I am not going to be hanging it on a wall, but these command strips are strong enough for that wood sign. I believe I purchased the sign from Etsy and just had it customized. Keurig is one that we've had for a while. No need to replace it, although I did think about it. They do have a gold Keurig, but I decided if it's not broke, don't fix it until it breaks down. So we're reusing a previous Keurig that we had, and that's about all for the decor that is on this coffee bar. I like to keep things, simple and clutter free. And if you watch till the end, you'll see how I added some additional items to the bar. Alright guys, so we are done. I decided not to bring the wine opener back over here, but I'll think on that because eventually I do want to replace 2 of the cabinets down here with a wine refrigerator. So I may bring things back and I may put something here, but I'm really not sure yet just because I don't like to clutter things. Theory for us, this really is what we utilize for the most part. It's the coffee, the to-go cups. I'll get a to-go sign. And I'm going to show you all what we prefer. We have so many flavors of this in the fridge that you can't put over here because it has to be refrigerated. And I know sometimes that seems like it's counterproductive, but we just prefer the refrigerated coffee mate, and I'm going to keep that. And yeah, so let me know what you think I could add that we would use. I'm sure at some point I can find like a sugar and some other type of creamer that will go there. I'll just have to look for a great container that we can put it in. But for now, we are done. We are clutter free. We have up our coffee bar sign, and we'll add probably some sugar and creamer, and that'll be it.